Hi Sam, good morning. Just a quick update. Probably a video is better and easier to understand than explaining this all in text. So I changed a couple of things. One of the first things we already discussed is that it now reacts to the trend lines in real time. So if you just move them, or you add them, or you delete them, or you change them a little bit, you will see entries popping up or disappearing in real time as you draw them. So I think that's very nice. Let's see, another thing I added was the maximum stop loss. It was a suggestion of you, so you can now specify the max stop loss, which I've set pretty high to 24 ticks, but if you change it like 8, then you'll see them all disappearing because they're all bigger than 8 ticks, so you can specify that. Any trade which has a stop loss bigger than specified here will just be filtered out and not shown at all. So that's a nice addition, I think. Another thing I added is to ignore counter trend trades. Basically what Mac always tells us is you should trade with the trend and not against it. We are not reversal traders, he always says. So that means that if you have drawn a trend channel up like here, it starts at the low and it ends at the bottom. In this area we're only looking for long trades, we are not looking for short trades. So that's what the filter now does. If I disable it, you will see that it finds a short trade here, but it gets filtered out if you click the ignore counter trend trades, and then it doesn't find any long trades. So that's there's nothing there. So that's been changed. Support resistance is the same. I didn't know if you saw it, but the indicator can give alerts whenever a second entry appears. That was already in, but I didn't hear you mention it, so I just bring it up. And yeah, maybe one thing about the entire strategy, because I don't think it was very clear from the video you showed me. Basically what Mac just does is he looks at let's say an uptrend like this. So let's just pick one. Say we see an uptrend like this over here, then we are just looking to get in on a pullback. So this would be a perfect spot to get in. And the only thing he added was that the pullback should be an ABC or a two-legged pullback, and that's basically our entry. So a two-legged pullback with the trend. That's his base entry, and I think we should make that clear in the video. He does use also other entries like traps and trades which go back to the EMA if the price is, for example, let's say his price was here and the EMA was here, then he might take it. But those are more advanced trades. The basic trade is just if you have a trend like this going up. Then he is looking for something like this. So trend goes up, we get a two-legged pullback, and the trend continues. And this is the setup we want to take. You take the high, that's the first entry high, and this is the second entry. So here we would like to get in. So I hope that's more clear now, that the whole idea behind the setup is just a two-legged pullback to the two-legged pullback, and then getting in at the break of the candle high, or in the downtrend it's just the reverse. So another thing I did, I just took, I went to the YouTube channel of Mac. Where is he? Oh, there he is. So I went to his YouTube channel and I just took the latest video he made and copied all the channels he had drawn on this chart. Now this is the 29th. He doesn't do videos for Friday, he only does it to Thursday. So this is the price action of Thursday. And I just copied all his channels right here. And you can immediately see how well the strategy did if you only trade with the trend at those channels. So I think this is a perfect case where we can see we made $2,000, we lost 600, so totally one day we made $1,400 with a win ratio of more than 80%. And I have to check, but I think that's just with 2 contracts, right? Yeah, no, there's more contracts. Okay, so not. So with 2 contracts, that would be, of course, then less. But still a nice profit, right? 2 contracts, 1,300 minus 250, so that's almost $1,000 in a single day. So even though the strategy does not give many entries, as you can see, I mean it's a pretty quiet day. We still get a pretty good profit for that day. So maybe that's something you can explain in your video as well. And yeah, I think that's it. If you have any questions, then you know where to find me. And well, I'll probably speak to you later. Okay, bye bye.